Hello, everyone. Welcome today. Not in today's newspaper on Wednesday. No, this is the yesterday's edition. Because in today's newspaper on Thursday, January 20th, we have no extra puzzles. So I've decided to solve the rest of the puzzles in the yesterday's newspaper on Wednesday. Yes, we have 3 puzzles here: the letter Sudoku, the 2 stars, and the tectonic. Alright, first the letter Sudoku. Yes, the letter Sudoku number, let me focus, number 4008. Yes, 4008. Before I start, I always count with printed, in this case letters, I believe 27. Let me do this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 27 printed digits. Correct. If you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 star Sudokus, this will be a 1 star. And for 1 star, I need to be faster than 50 minutes. Well, for letter Sudoku, I need more time. 15 to 20 minutes I need. Because with a regular Sudoku with digits, you can also do a double check. Here I cannot do a double check. And those letters are always different. Numbers is 1 to 10. 1 to 9. And we have here the letters T, the E, the M, the U, the B, the K, the L, the S, and the O. And the goal is to find the word in this column. Alright, so let's get started. Let me see. Which number can I pick? The E in the first column and the E in the second column. So the third column, the only 2 places left for the E should be here or there. You see there an E? No E there. E should be here. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing letters in this row. One of the missing letters is an E. We see here an E in this big square, so no E in these 2 boxes. We see here an E in this column, so no E in that box. So the E can be here, or there. Here another E, no E there. Here another E, no E there. So the only place left for the E should be there. Alright. Okay. Now I cannot continue with the E. Let me scan. How about? Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 missing letters in this row, the third row. One of the missing letters is an K. We have a K in this big square, so no K in this box. So the K could be here, or there. We see another K there, so no K here. Here K, no K there. The only place left for the K should be there. Alright. So let me see. How about the K in this column, the K in the column next. So the last column, the only place left for the K should be there. KK. Okay, here. 1, 2, 3, 4 missing letters in this column. One of the missing letters is a K. We have a K in this row, so no K in that box. Here K in this row, so no K in that box. Here K in the middle row, so no K in this box. So 1 box left in this column for the letter K. Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 missing letters in this big square. One of the missing letters is a S. We have a S there in the middle column, so no S in these 3 boxes. Here an S in the second row, so no S in those 3 boxes. So the S could be here, could be there. S in one of those 2 boxes in this column, S in the middle column. So the column next, the only place left for the S should be there. Alright. Alright. Yeah. Then. How about? Yeah. I'm thinking. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing letters in this big square. One of the missing letters is the U. We have a U in this column, so no U in these 2 boxes. Here, U in this row, so no U in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the U. Should be there. Okay. Let's see. B and L. Yeah. 3 missing letters in this row. Those missing letters are the B is missing, the L is missing, and the T is missing. Yeah. BLT. We have a B and L in this column, so no B and L in this box. The B and L goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. B and L. We have a B there, no B there. B should be there, and the L goes there. 1 letter is missing in the last row for the letter T. Okay. Alright. The B, the U, B, the U. And the S. 3 missing letters in the 3rd column. Those missing letters are in the 3rd column. The B is missing, the S is missing, and the U is missing. Well, we have a B and a S in this row, the middle row, so no B and S in this box. The B and S goes in those 2 boxes as a pair, B and S. So 1 digit left in the 3rd column for the letter U. Alright. Okay. Yeah. 3 missing letters in this big square. One of the missing letters is the M. We have an M in this column, so no M in this box. So the M could be here, could be there. M in the last row, M in one of those 2 boxes in the row above. So that row, the only 2 places left for the M should be here or there. We see there an M, no M there, M should be there. T, yeah. 3 missing letters in this big square. One of the missing letter is a T. We see here T in this row, so no T in this box. So the T goes together with the M. MT. So 1, not digit, but 1 letter is missing in this big square for the letter L. 1 box left in this column for the letter T is missing, the T. So we have a T in the 3rd row, T in the 2nd row. So in the 1st row, the only place left for the T should be there, TT. 3 missing letters in this big square. One of the missing letter is the L. We have an L there in the third row, so no L in this box. Here an L in this column, so no L in that box. So one box left for the L. Should be there. Two missing letters in this big square. Those missing letters are the E is missing. And the U is missing. E and the U. We have an E there, no E there. E should be here, and the U goes there. So we have an E in this row, E in the middle row. So the row above, the only three places left for the E should be here, here, or there. We see there an E, no E there. Here an E, no E there. The only place left for the E should be there. So now we have two missing letters in this last column. Those missing letters are the M is missing and the S is missing. M and S. We have a S there, no S there. S should be here, and the M goes there. So I've solved this word in 11 minutes. And the word in Dutch is a bloemstuk. In English, flower piece. Yes, a flower piece. Alright, let me continue with the rest of the puzzle. So we have an M in this row, M in the middle row, so no row below. The only two places left for the M should be here or there. We see there an M, no M there. M should be here. M in the third column, M in the second column. So in the first column, the only place left for the M should be there. Now I cannot continue with the M. How about these two missing letters in this big square? Those missing letters are the U is missing and the S is missing. U and the S. We have a S there, no S there. S should be here and the U goes there. I've marked those two boxes with the S. Now we have a S there, so this box can't be S anymore. That box should be an S. One box left in the third row for the letter B. The B is missing, yes. B, okay. Okay. Let me see. Two missing letters in the first row for the letters L is missing and the U is missing. L and the U. We have a U there, no U there. U should be there. U should be there. And the L goes there. Okay. Two missing letters in this big square for the letters. O is missing. And the M is missing. O and M. I cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those two boxes. Here we have a T and an M. Okay. How about the L in the last column, the L in the column next. So in that column, only two places left for the L should be here or there. We see that L, no L there. L should be there. Now we have two missing letters in the middle row for the letters O and the T. O and a T. We have a T there, no T there. T should be here and the O goes there. Alright, no, not two, three missing letters here. Okay. B in the last column, B in the column next. So in that column, the only place left for the B should be there. One box left in this column for the letter O. Two boxes left in this big square for the letters T is missing and the U is missing. We have a U there, no U there. U should be there and the T goes there. How about these two missing letters in this big square? Those missing letters are the O is missing and the S is missing. O and the S. We have a O there, no O there. O should be here and the S goes there. Alright. How about yeah, U in this row, U in the row above. So in that row, the only three places left for the U should be here, or there. We see there, U, no U there. Here, U, no U there. Only place left for the U should be there. So now we have 2 missing letters in this row for the letters B and S. B and S, we have a S there, no S there. S should be there, and the B goes there. 1 letter is missing in the 3rd column for the letter B. 2 missing letters in this big square for the letters. The L is missing, and the K is missing. L and the K. We have a L there, no L there. L should be here, and the K should be there. 2 missing letters in this big square for letters. K is missing, and the S is missing. K and S, we have a K there, no K there. K should be here, and S goes there. 2 missing letters in this row for the letters. L is missing, and the O is missing. L and the O, we have a L there, no L there. L should be here, and the O goes there. Now we have an O there, so this box can't be O anymore. That box should be no. And this box should be an M. Now we have an M there, so this box can't be N anymore. That box should be an M, and this box should be a T. Final two letters in this big square for the letters. B and the T are missing. We have a B there, no B there. B should be here, and the T goes there. Finish in 16 minutes. Alright. So I'm very well pleased with the time, and I like this one. Yes. You cannot do double check because too many letters. Well, too many different letters. So with numbers you can double check. You can count. I cannot count letters because those letters are not every time the same. We have 26 letters in the alphabet. Alright. Thank you for watching. If you like this, thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it solve it by yourself. And I will see you in a minute with the second puzzle A, 2 stars. Sudoku it will be. So see you then. Bye bye for now.